Yeah, alright, so before anything else, magkakaroon muna tayo ng warm-up activities. Alright, please set at the count of 10. I want all the teams to form one big circle here in front. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, big circle. Okay, one big circle. Sige, Rabi. Okay, backward circle ulit. Alright, kids, tutulungan kayo ni Kuya Wendell kung paano gawin yung charity agreement. Alright, put your hands down. Ibutang muna ang mga kamot. Okay, put your hands down first. Ibutang ang kamot. Okay. When I say hi, what will you say? Hello! When I say hello, what will you say? When I say jolly, what will you say? When I say B, what will you say? Oh, wala na naman. Okay, ganito. When I say hi, you say hello. When I say hello, you say hi. When I say jolly, you say B. When I say B, you say happy. Alright, this time, let's do it all together. Hello! Hi! Okay, gusto mo lakasan. Again, hello! Hi! Hello! Jolly! B! And B? Alright, so tayo natin yung mother ng pagkakin na tayo. Okay, hello! Hi! Hello! Ayun na na. Alright, so this time, kids, we're going to do the shoe fly. Ay, isa sa hindi na nakita naglangaw. Oh, wala pa nakita. Oh, shot nila. Wala pa nakita. Okay, so first step is we're going to do, or we're going to say, shoe fly, don't bother me. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody say go. Shoe fly, don't bother me. I show you what I want to be. Okay, everybody, again. Kaya yun si Kuya Wendell, awat ako. Shoe fly, don't bother me. I show you what I want to be. Come here, Robbie. Nakakita na nag-ulod? Ulod. Di, ano siya Bisaya? Have you seen a word?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. 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 Okay, do you know how worm moves? Saya. Magalo ka sa muli ang ulod. Okay, kaya tulungan niya. Mulino ang ulod just like this. We like our. How many minutes after? We like our. Okay, ikaw nga, Robbie. Go. We like our. Ayun. Okay, go on here na. I mean, your position. Okay, this time is we're going to do the we like our. Everybody and we like our. Okay, very good. Okay, next is we're going to jump like a kangaroo. Everybody put your hands like this. Okay, tanan. Ingani ang kamon. Ayos mo ka. Ingani ang kamon. Oops, that's bad. Dito ka kuya, come here. Come here, dito ka. Okay, everybody put your hands like this. And everybody jump. Jump, and jump. Okay, very good. Next, we're going to swim like a fish. Everybody put your hands like this. Ingani. And swim, go. Very good. Next, we're going to crawl like a spider. Just like Spider-Man, everybody crawl. Crawl, and crawl. Okay, go back to your position. Okay, next we're going to tiptoe like a mouse. Tiptoe. Very good. Okay, go back to your circle. Alright, kids, hello. Are you ready?